Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, the one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to level your hero to any level you want in custom lobbies. To do so, you first need to create a lobby with cheats enabled, and once you're in the lobby, just press enter, dash LVL up, and then type the level you want your hero to be. For example, I'm going to press 3, so I'm going to go to level 4, because 3 plus 1 is 4. Like so, I'm going to do it once again, enter, dash LVL up, and I'm going to press 15 this time. So I'm going to go to level 19 now, because 15 plus 4 is 19. Here you can see, I'm level 19. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!